Hello team, here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic. The principle of proximity means putting related design elements in a group together. I use this design principle with the title, here, subtitle, here, and the isotope, down here. The principle of visual hierarchy means to arrange design elements in level of importance. Visual hierarchy has various focal points that have visual weight and alignment. The title and visual number, here and here, right next to each other, are the dominant level focal points. The isotope, subtitle, and graphics are the subdominant level focal points. Here's the isotope. Here's the subtitle. Here's my first graph, my second graph, and my third graph. Lastly, the conclusion and sources are the subordinate level focal points. Here's the conclusion with an icon and the sources. The principle of alignment means design elements are arranged close to a line or margin. I chose to make the infographic have a horizontal alignment. So if you were to draw a line in between all the information, it would be even on either side, on the left and right, which is what creates the horizontal alignment effect. The principle of closure means there's an incomplete shape, but our minds fill in the negative space and complete the shape. I use the house icons to apply the closure principle. The principle of similarity means objects that look the same are grouped together. Anomaly means there are similar objects with some that are altered to draw attention to them. As you can see here, the houses for the isotope are the same size and shape, but they are different colors to represent the number of institutions that it represents. The principle of color harmony means color choices present a sense of order. I use the analogous color scheme throughout my infographic, which uses up to 3 colors next to each other on the color wheel. And as you can see, I used a dark gray, which is a neutral color, a dark blue, and a light purple. And the dark blue and the light purple, those colors, if you look on a color wheel, are right next to each other. The principle of contrast means creating visual weight between the background and the text. The white background used for my infographic contrasts well with the dark blue, light purple, and dark gray colors I used for the information. The principle of fonts means to choose different font classifications to create contrast and visual hierarchy. I used Antonio font for titles and texts that needed more emphasis, and Helvetica font for subtitles, regular text, and numbers, because using 2 fonts is more effective than using many. So down here, the easiest way to show you the different fonts is with the graphs. So as you can see here, this is the Antonio font, and down here is the Helvetica. And the numbers and the X and Y axis are also in Helvetica. This number here is in Antonio, and then the subtitle down here is in Helvetica. Let me know if you have any questions about my design choices. Thank you for your time.